Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So I'm back. I'm feeling like I want to do something Halloween related, and I was searching pictures on Google and stuff like that, saving the ones that I like, and I think I'm gonna go for this one and try this one. Obviously it's not gonna be the same because I think this is AI. I'm pretty sure it is. So this is like a hybrid of like a skeleton glam situation happening here with like orange and black and glitter. It looks very pretty. Obviously it's not going to be the same because one, I think this is an AI, I'm not sure. Two, we have different faces. And three, I don't have those glitters or those identical colors and stuff like that. So I mean, it's going to look different. It's going to look my version of it. So stick around to see and wish me luck. If you hear thunder, it's because it's raining. It's pouring. It started pouring like 10 minutes ago. Super cloudy, so I'm gonna brighten the shit out of this video so you can see better. I think I'm gonna go with the Rick and Morty palette by Glamlight because this has so many different colors. This is like a rainbow palette, and those shimmers that she had, or the colors that she had, look like these oranges over here. I might use another palette, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna start with this one with this peachy color up here first. Put that everywhere. So how have you been? I hope everybody's doing great. It's lighter than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a little bit deeper, but it's not. So I'm gonna have to deepen it up with another color. How's October treating you? I hope you're having fun so far. I could see in stores now they took away all the Halloween stuff, and now if they do have, they have very limited quantities, like a little small display area of Halloween stuff. They started adding Christmas stuff. Santa is everywhere. If you were missing Santa, you could find them at stores. All of them have them. I'm still not ready to let go of Halloween because it's October. I'm gonna deepen this up with this orange over here. I'm gonna put that lightly. I'm gonna put that in the outer and the inner corner because I think the reference picture is a halo look. I love this orange. This orange is so great and pigmented, but easy to blend. It's like the best orange I have in my collection. What spooky movies are you enjoying this month? I started watching From because the new season started, and it's so good. I've gotten a couple people hooked on that show. But it's because it's so good. I'm also gonna put this in the inner part right here. Like that. Can you hear that thunder? I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it. It's really loud. And I actually haven't heard thunder in a while, so I'm like giddy about it. Hopefully it cools down a little bit because it's insane how hot it is. It's driving me crazy. I'm gonna connect that very lightly here. I don't want to close it up too much because I have hooded eyes, so I want that space to be free. Okay, what I did notice is she has it more blown out over here, so let me start taking this further out. I shouldn't have done my eyebrows. Oh well, it's too late now. So she has it like all the way over here to her temple, which looks great on her. Tell me you heard that. Let me know if you can hear the thunder. Let me do that on this eye, and I'll be right back. I'm going to start connecting that at the bottom. She has that really down here as well that connects to this part. A little bit difficult on my droopy eyes because it kind of drags down this and it creates those two little lines there, and it's annoying, but I have to go below that so that doesn't show up as much. Plus, the messier and grungier the better, right? Tell me what you're gonna be this Halloween. I think I already know what I want to be, and it's very simple. Let me know if you want me to do a video of that costume. Okay, now I'm gonna use the black to deepen the outer corner and the inner corner, and I'm gonna switch to the Chucky by Glamlight as well because this black is very black. So let me start off here. Look at that. Hopefully I don't get any fallout because I already did my base, and that would suck. I'm watching everybody's video on Halloween makeup. They're so much fun. You guys gotta let me know. For the people who have channels and are thinking about doing Halloween makeup or stuff like that, let me know. Leave your channel in the comment section so I can watch your videos if I'm not like following you already. Let me start blending in with the first brush, back and forth with those two colors. Now remember, I want to keep that center clear because I'm going to put in like an orange shimmer there. And I'm not going to be too precise because you know what? I'm just having fun. I'm just having fun. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm not a makeup artist. I switched to a smaller brush because now I have to do the inner part. And this is a smaller space here. Can you believe it rained for like 10 minutes and that was it? That's it. It's not gonna cool down that way. That's just gonna make everything 10 times hotter. Go back with my orange brush. You know who I've been watching lately that I love her content? Courtney Quarantine. I think that's her name. I love her makeup. I love the way she does her makeup. And she's super freaking funny. Let me know if you're following her. If you're not, go check her out. I love her makeup. She's super grungy. I love it. Okay, let's see. What else? Let me look at the picture again. Okay, I'm gonna put the shimmer in the center, and I have two options here. I got this one at Marshall's for 20 bucks. Can you believe that? Oh, the ticket is not here. The ticket's in the box. For 20 bucks, so I snagged it, and they have this one here that looks like the picture a little bit. The one that she has is more bronzier, but I think I want to go for like a gold. And then this one, they have this one up here. Okay, yeah, this one definitely. Yeah, this one. And let me put some glitter primer and I'll be back. Ooh, pretty. I don't think I've ever used this shade from this palette. That is nice. Super sparkly. I want to take this really high up here. That is gorgeous. So I think the most difficult thing of this look is going to be putting those glitter particles, glue them one by one. I think that's what is gonna take longer, because literally I'm almost done with the eye look. I just gotta find like a orangey lipstick and put a glitter topper that's orange, and I have one from Unearthly Cosmetics. I'm gonna use that one because I haven't used that one yet. I'm gonna put this shimmer in the inner corner. Okay, so I'm checking here because it doesn't seem like she has eyeliner on, and if she does, it's very like brownish. So I think I'm gonna use black eyeliner, pop in some lashes, and I'll be back. Okay, for lips, I'm gonna be using this one by Ace Beauté. I think the shade is called Ambition. What? What? Don't scare me. It's like an orangey shade. I still can't get used to this long stick. Okay, in the picture she doesn't have like blush or anything or highlighter at all, but I'm gonna be using this orange as a blush because I want to add something like that. So I think the look needs it. And connect it up here. Kind of like doing that dramatic look for looks like this. I think it's fitting. See, I think that's better like that. Ooh, the light wanted to leave. That would be spooky. Okay, I have that. I'm gonna map out where the lines are gonna be at the mouth. Or should I do the nose part now? Let me do the nose part now. She has glitter, like shimmer, on her lips. So I have this one by Unearthly Cosmetics, and it's like a orange glitter gloss. I'll put that one. I don't know if you can see the sparkles. I can. Okay, I have the picture here, and what I'm going to do is take a light brown to kind of trace the shape of the nose, and once I'm happy with it, then I'll go in with the black eyeliner. So it's kind of, she covers the whole nose, really. There's like two little spikes in here, then it goes down, and then it goes down like that. It's like a weird shape. I'm gonna go ahead and fill that in with black. If I had face paint, a good face paint, it would be so much faster and easier to cover this, but I don't. But you get the idea. You just fill this whole space in. Okay, something like that. But you know what though? I'm gonna have to take off the gloss because I don't think this eyeliner is gonna go well over like a glossy surface. I didn't think of that, so let me wipe this off. Okay, again, I'm gonna map out where the lines of the mouth should be with the same brown. that further down because my chin kind of curls up and it's gonna disturb the illusion. And now go in with the black. So you would think a nail tech would have chunky orange glitters, but no, I don't. I have this small size of like a coppery gold, which are very tiny. Let me see how I use this. I have the chunky ones, which would have been perfect, but I have it in this silver, like holographic color, which I'm gonna use because it's bigger and it will be easier. And I do have a gold one over here. Let me take that one out. I really wish I had this one in bigger sizes, like a bigger, chunkier size like this one, because these are very tiny. So let me see how I do this. I'm just gonna put everything in a cap. Some of these, I put way too much. I'm gonna put some of the gold one in there too. I have a little mix of different shades and sizes. And a little bit of the copper as well. So I can have 3 colors in there. And start applying it. I got my lash glue here, which is almost dried out. I gotta get a new one. So now you're just gonna apply it anywhere you want. And I need a mirror. I feel like I'm gonna make a mess. That's what I feel like. Apply as you go, because if it dries down clear, you won't know where the glue is. See, it's drying down and now I can really tell. These are too tiny. I don't think you'll be able to see the gold ones. What a shame. See, those you can see a mile away, but the tiny ones, I'm gonna have to focus on the bigger ones. Unfortunately, those are silver. I mean, they're pretty, but they're not orange. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that here and here. Alright, I put this headband because in my head, and I knew that I had a headband with like flowers on it. I had that last year, but I guess I decluttered it and I thought I had it and I don't. That would have looked much better. But I put these on and be like a hybrid of a skeleton cat. I don't know. So this is the final look. I actually like the little gold glitters because they look like freckles. You know what I mean? Right? But look how iridescent that is. So this is the final look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I kind of like it. I like it. It took me a while to do this, but not that much. I thought it was going to take me a lot longer. So I had fun doing this video. I hope you're having a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.